I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer funds from Affirm to Stripe, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your Affirm account. Start by accessing your Affirm account through their website or mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, look for the transfer or withdraw option in your account dashboard. This is where you can initiate the transfer process. Step 3. Enter transfer details. Input the amount you wish to transfer and select Stripe as the destination. Double check the details to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. Review the transfer summary and confirm the transaction. You might need to verify your identity through a two-factor authentication process. Step 5. Check your Stripe account. After completing the transfer, log into your Stripe account to ensure the funds have arrived. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to reflect. Remember, if you don't see the funds in Stripe after a reasonable time, check your Affirm account for any pending transactions. Happy transferring!